What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your iPad. For example, if you need to sell your iPad and you're just trying to reset to factory default, or maybe if you forgot your password and you're just trying to reset your iPad. But keep in mind, this is going to erase everything out of your iPad if you don't have any backups saved to your computer. So first thing we need to do, we need to launch our iTunes, make sure it's running. Then we need to turn off iPad. Then once the iPad is turned off, we need to hold the power button for 3 seconds. And while holding the power button, we need to press on the home button, hold for another 10 seconds. Then we need to release the power button and hold the home button until it's gonna boot into recovery mode. So first, we need to power off our device, press and hold power button, and slide to turn it off. Once you see spinning wheel disappeared, hold power button 1, 2, 3, then home button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the power button and keep holding the home button. Once you see this window pop up on your screen, what you need to do, you need to click on restore. And right here, we need to click on restore and update. And then right here, we just need to click next and then agree. And now it's downloading latest iOS that is supported by your device. And right here, if you click on here, you can see how much time is left and how big is the file. Once the download is complete, now it's resetting the iPad. Once the reset is complete, you can leave it like that if you're trying to sell, or you can just go through the setup really quick if you're trying to use it again. That's it. iPad is ready to go. It's reset to factory default and it's like a clean install. It's like a brand new. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.